Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Part. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful macrame curtain. The special thing about this curtain is that it has the regular layers like we have in the normal fabric curtains. So let's get started with this very beautiful pattern. So we require these two cords and this is the center point. So now we have an idea that this point is the center point of the cord. So we can just turn it so we can do it easily. Now, one time you have to use the right cord and the other time you have to use the left cord. Now this. Six. Figure 6 one time. And reverse 6 another time. Look, this is reverse 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 and then 9, 10. So 10 alternative half hitches on both sides. And then we'll just close this to make a hook. So as you can see, this is what we have. 10 alternative half hitches here and 10 here. And now we are going to just close this like this and make a square knot here. So now we are going to make a regular square knot. In this way we will get a hook. So here you can see that we have 10 alternative half hitches here and 10 alternative half hitches here. And then I just make a square knot. Now we need to take another cord and add here like this. So here you can see we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 3 cords added on both sides. Now make square knots by picking these and these. So here you can see I just made 8 sets like this. Every set have 10 alternative half hitches as a hanger. Then I make 1 square knot and then I added 3 square knots on the both sides, left and right. Then you can see this triangle pattern, and now we are going to attach all these sets together by the help of square knot. Now pick this left side and this right side cord and all attached together like this. And now we will make square knots from left to right, and we will keep making square knots until we reach to our desired length. So we will pick these two cords here, these two and these two, and we will make square knot, then the adjacent two, and we will keep doing this until we reach to this. So as you can see, I just completed this row here, and we will continue this till the end, and we will create square knots like this throughout the pattern. So here you can see I just completed this pattern. Now I will repeat how I did it. We just made these triangles by using 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows. 4 rows of square knot will make this triangle pattern till here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this we will make another row here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here you can see we had made this 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows. So 4 rows will make this triangle pattern, and then again 4 rows will make this straight pattern of square knot. We are using square knots we are making square knots very tightly here without any gap. This tightly packed square knots will help us in creating this web structure later. How? After doing this, we will start making square knots in this way. We will leave the gap of 2 inches. This is 2 inches of gap, and we will make square knots. Then we will leave 2 inches of gap, and we will make square knots. And we will continue doing this for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So 5 rows with the 2 inches of distance, we will create this. In this way, we will have this web-like pattern. And this is what actually will give us a layering structure of the curtain, which we normally miss in the macrame curtains. So after these 5 rows, we will divide this curtain into 2 portions. How? We will find the central part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 row hooks here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks here. This is the central part. So we will go right there, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, we will divide this, and we will start creating the square knot patterns in this way. Similarly, what we are doing above and here also. We will complete this until we reach to the desired length, and then we will just trim our curtain, and in the end we will create some after completing the curtain, these are the pieces left. This is the scrap. I just took them, and these are like 8 to 10 inches of cords. I just folded them in half, and then I made a knot here, simple knot. After taking another scrap piece here, I'm just making a gathering knot. Once we are done with the full length of this curtain, now it's time to work on the bottom. So you need to pick this cord, hold it like this, then wrap it behind like this, and and this is the position. Now just wrap it all around. Now from the sleeve. So this is the position. Now pull it downwards. So this is the even line knot. We just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful macrame curtain. We're just having regular fabric curtains like layers. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like this video.